Okay, so here we are at the computer, and what we have is I set up a little Mathematica formula. So A equals 1 plus the square root of 2.
Yep.
That's what we're looking at. P, which is my power, in this case is 2. And then I'm going to look at what A to the P is, and then what that number is with 20 decimal points. So you can see on the screen I've got 1 plus the square root of 2.
Yep.
My power is going to be 2. You see that right there?
Yep.
That's 1 plus the square root of 2 squared, which is 5.828,427,124. You see that?
Yep.
Yeah.
So does that have a million nines after the decimal point?
No.
No, doesn't even have 1.
Doesn't even have 1. Okay. Maybe let's check. Well, you know what? Maybe we should have started with the first power. Just what's 1 plus the square root of 2? Turns out it's about 2.414.
Still no 9s.
All right. Let's check 3. 14.07. Huh. Still no 9s.
No.
Sort of makes you wonder why he was asking this.
Yeah.
Maybe there isn't one.
Oh, interesting. Maybe there isn't one. Maybe that's why he was asking. Let's see. He was trying to trick us. 4.
Here we have 1 9.
33.97. So 1 plus the square root of 2 to the 4th is almost 34.
Yeah.
That's interesting. Okay, hey, well, we got a 9, but we tried 4 things, we got a 9. That's maybe not so surprising, right?
Yeah.
Here's the 5th power, 82.012193.
The 9's a little later.
The 9's a little later. Anything you can tell me about that number?
Well, it's almost 9 squared. 9 squared is 81.
Yeah?
It's about 82.
It's very close to 82.
012.
Yeah, okay, so we've got 2 in a row that actually have been pretty close to integers. This one was a little too high.
Yeah.
The other one was a little too low.
Yeah.
It's interesting. Was that 6? Or that was 5, right?
Yeah. This is
197 point...
994.
Whoa!
Getting close.
Wait a minute. I wonder what's going on here. Maybe let's try 7. 478.002.
So we're getting closer and closer to integers.
Do you notice any patterns so far?
Well,
Some of them,
we had a 9,
And
then
then
a 0, then 2 9s, then 2 zeros.
maybe it'll be 3 9s this time.
Oh, interesting.
With this pattern, you have to continue it for a long time, but it's
999.
it's likely that it might lead to a million 9s.
If we keep doing this,
.000.
if we keep
Awesome.
doing this back and forth like a million times, we'll get to that.
Yeah. Now, it's hard to display a million 9s, but now, just by playing around with this a little bit, well, okay, our pattern didn't continue. This one we still had 3 9s, but it's .998. So we are getting seems like we are getting pretty close to integers,
Yeah.
right? 11.
Wait, you did 111.
Oh, sorry. That's going to be too big of a number.
Oh.
Oh.
Getting closer.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Now, we see. Now, what do you think about his question? What would you guess now is the answer? Do you think we'll ever find a million 9s?
Yeah.
Looks like it.
Eventually.
Looks like there's a pattern.
Yeah.
And now we have to understand what's going on here.
Yeah.
Okay? And this is the part that's a little bit over your head, but I'm gonna give you a little step in the right direction on that, and then we're gonna come back to the computer and look at this list of numbers and see if we can see a pattern. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright.